Unleash the power of aloe vera for hair growth.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss an incredible, natural remedy to boost hair growth, aloe vera. Aloe vera is a plant with many health benefits, one of them being its ability to nourish and stimulate hair growth. In this video, we'll go step by step on how you can incorporate aloe vera into your hair care routine.
Why use aloe vera?
Aloe vera is loaded with nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, along with B12, folic acid, and choline. These nutrients promote healthy hair and scalp, prevent hair loss, and encourage hair growth. Additionally, aloe vera's high content of collagen can help improve hair elasticity, preventing breakage.
How to extract aloe vera gel?
Start with a fresh aloe vera leaf. Cut off the sides, and then split the leaf into half. Using a spoon, scoop out the gel. You can use this gel directly, or store it in a jar in the fridge for up to a week.
How to apply aloe vera gel to your hair?
Before you begin, ensure your hair is clean and free of any hair products. Apply the aloe vera gel directly onto your scalp and massage it gently. After the scalp is covered, work the gel through your hair from roots to tips. Once applied, let the gel sit for about an hour.
How to rinse aloe vera from your hair?
After an hour, rinse out the aloe vera gel with warm water. It should come out easily without the need for shampoo. However, if you feel your hair is sticky, you may use a mild shampoo. Finally, let your hair dry naturally instead of using a blow dryer.
How often should you use aloe vera?
Using aloe vera for hair growth is a gradual process and results won't show overnight. It's recommended to apply aloe vera gel 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. And that's how you can use aloe vera to boost your hair growth naturally. Incorporating aloe vera into your hair care routine not only promotes hair growth but also imparts a healthy shine to your hair. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to bringing you more natural remedies for your hair care. Until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing.